If at any time you found that your inner vision is blurred with certain emotions like anger or hurt, or if you find that you're into repetitive patterns, stuck in some loop, having a lot of anxiety, or if you find that you are having certain unusual aches and pains in your body, or if you feel that you need to improve your performance and you're not there where you want to be, I can help you heal. I can guide you. I have my program called the Neuro Soothe, in which I combine neuroplasticity, I combine hypnotherapy, I combine regression therapy and mindfulness meditations. I am Dr. Sodhi and I'm available at Illuminations Dubai. You could always meet me for a free consult. After all, you have nothing to lose except your discomfort. Thank you.